Vani Maheshwari, your maths educator from Countryside International School. Today, I am here to explain you about comparing and ordering numbers. So let's start. Students, when we compare the number, we should always compare each place value starting from the leftmost digit. That is, whenever we compare the number, we should always compare from the left side of the digit, that is 100, then tens and then ones. To compare those numbers, we use this sign. Let us compare 15 and 24. 15 and 24 are two-digit number. If you see at the 15, 1 stands at tens place value, and if you look at the 24, 2 stands at tens place value. So we can say that 15 is smaller than 24 because 1 is smaller than 2. Let us go to the another one. Now this is three-digit number, students. So let us compare 126 and 148. In this, 1 is at a 100 place value. In both the digit is the same. But if you look at the tens place value, 1 is at the 2 is at the tens place value, and the another number, that is 4, is at the tens place value. So 2 tens is smaller than 4 tens. So here we can say that 126 is smaller than 148. Let us compare one more number, that is 176 and 179. If you look at this number at 100 place value, both the digits are same. As well as at the tens place value, both the digits again it is same. But at tens place value, 1 is 6 and another number is 9. So 6 is smaller than 9. So we can say that 176 is smaller than 179. Let us compare this number, that is 144. If you look at this number, each digit is equal at their place value. That means both the number are same. So we will use equal to sign because here both the digits are at the same place value. Let's move to the another topic, that is ordering number. Ordering number means ascending descending order. First we will look at the ascending order. If you see here, we are moving from small to big, right? So when we arrange number from the smallest to biggest number, it is called increasing order, or we can also say it as ascending order. If you look at this, there is one question, write the numbers on the stairs in ascending order. Here are some numbers. We have to arrange them from smaller number to the bigger number. And in this, there is a two-digit number also. So that will be the first digit. Yes, 36 will be the first. After that, the number will be 102, then 106, then little bigger, that will be 115, then bigger, that is 120, and the last will be 150. Let's move to the next one. Arrange the given numbers in ascending order. Okay, here there is one question, 122, 45, 116, 72 and 151. If you look at here, there are two-digit number also in three-digit. That is, the first one is 45 and then there is 72. So little bigger than 72 is 116. Bigger than 116 is 122. And the last number is 151. Similarly, there is another question, 131, then 10, then 174, 192 and 117. It is not rearranged in ascending order. We will do it. The first one is 10 because it is two-digit number. The next number is 117. The next third. When we arrange number from the biggest to the smallest, It is called decreasing order or descending order. If you look here, there is one question. Write the numbers on the stairs in descending order. So there are some numbers. Let's find the bigger number. The bigger number is 150. After that it is 120. Then smaller than that it is 115. Again 106, 102, and the last number will be the 36. Let's do some examples. Arrange the given number in descending order. There are some questions. First one says that 132, 23, 145, 156 and 111. If you look at the number, some numbers are 2-digit and some numbers are 3-digit. So the first one will be 156 is the bigger number. Then 145, smaller than that. Smaller than 145 is 132. Then 111. And the last will be 23. Similarly, the next question is 143, 32, 56, 110 and 164. We will arrange them in descending order. The first one will be 164, then 143, then 110, then 56, and the last number will be 32. Now let us practice this. The first question is the circle the greatest number. In the first one, whichever the number is greatest, that you will be circling. The second number says that circle the smallest number. The smaller number you have to circle by looking at the place value. And the third one is write the given number in ascending order. So these are some numbers which you have to arrange in ascending order, that is small to big. Bye for now, students. But I promise you that I will be back with another topic. Thank you.